I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add payment method on your Coinbase. Alright, now for those people who are new to Coinbase, Coinbase is a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it is one of the second largest exchange on the world where you guys can buy and sell crypto right after Binance. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can add a payment method in it. The first step is you want to go to coinbase.com. Alright, make sure you search for coinbase.com and it's gonna ask you to log in into your account. And if you guys have already logged in into your account, it's gonna straight up bring you over here. But if you guys have not, I would suggest you to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you need to click on a profile picture at the top right corner and go on where it says settings. Now once you go on setting, you can see payment methods over here at the right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on payment methods, it's gonna take you over here. And over here, click on add a payment method. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to enter your credit or your debit card. So click on it and add your card number. So after you add your card number, make sure to enter your card's expiration date and your card's CVC number and your postal code, and click on add card. And if the card information you entered is correct, your debit or your credit card should be added over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can add a payment method in Coinbase.